Good evening, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Today, again, we will be starting about another general knowledge class. Let's start unit number 5, that is Math Magic. And in this today's class, we will be dealing the first one, that is tricks with figures, second, networking, and third is hunt the hidden figures. Okay, so let's take it out, page number 63 in your book. Though we have not given, means I have not given any of the assignment question in the previous class, so we are not discussing here the assignment answers. Directly we will be starting page number 63. Take it out. Here tricks with the figures given. See, given below are some figures and questions are related to it. You have to read the carefully and then write down the answer. See, starting with the first one. Two arrows are shown below. Try to make the third arrow, that is of same length as the other two, by adding only two lines. Means what you have to do, you have to add only two lines, and when it is being same size of the two already given. So what we'll do, we can see that in between the two arrows the size, means the space given, which is equivalent. So what we will do, will two lines we will be making, adjoining two lines on the opposite side of the arrow. So it will be looking like arrow. Okay, this you can see in the next slide. See how I have done. We have taken just two lines and we have drawn these two lines, and thus it represents an arrow which is of same size by adding only two, means drawing only two lines. Okay, take the next question. Next question, you can see in the book it is given six straight lines are given. You can see here six straight lines are given. You have to add only five straight lines to get 9. And how? If we'll be adding 6, means already we have 6, and if we'll add 5 more, then it becomes 11, not 9. So how will we do? We'll do like this. You can see, will one of the diagonal line in between first two lines, then leaving the third line, again a diagonal line between fourth and fifth line, which makes it n. So n, I, n, and in the last line we will be adding three more lines. So it is becomes E. So it is what you can see, it is 9. Then come to question number 3. Which line is longer? So when we will be seeing and measuring this line, we can see both the lines are same. But only the arrow which can be, means which had made, which make us confused, but both the lines are equal. Similarly in the B, both the lines are same. Next, question number 4. Question number 4. Cut the pizza into 8 pieces. How many cuts you will make? So you need to make only 4 cuts. In just being 4 cuts, you can see how I have done. One, the horizontal line, then vertical line, and 2 diagonal lines. Then the 8 pieces will be equally distributed. So pizza can be, means pizza is easily cut into 8 pieces by using or making only 4 cuts. Next question. Divide the given crescent shape into 6 parts by drawing just 3 lines. See, by drawing just 3 lines, we have divided into 6 parts. 2 in this manner and 1 in this manner. So in this way, that 6 parts has been divided. Next, cut the square cake into 8 equal pieces. How many cuts you will make? So you can see that how many cuts is required here for a, that is 4. Again similar as we have done in the pizza, means how the vertical, horizontal, and then 2 diagonal, then it will be cut or divided into only 4 cuts can divide that cake into 8 pieces. Next is this one is the networking, that you have to see the carefully you have to see this given figures, and without lifting your pencils you have to make into the paper. It is your homework, as though I am not giving any assignment today. So this is your homework to practice at home without lifting the pencil off the paper. How will you draw these shapes? Now come to the next one. hunt the hidden figures. You have to count and then write how many are they, and though already the 3 options also given. See the first one. Name the number of triangles in a large square. In the large square, how many triangles are there? So there are 12 triangles into it. If you will go for the counting, you will find it out. 12 triangles are there. Next is, in the next figure, number of triangles in the star. So there are 20 triangles in the star's shape. Next, number 3 is number of squares in the given figure. You can easily do, this is the easiest one, I think. This is what? 7 squares are there. The 3 is the bigger one, then 2 the shaded one, and 2 the lighter one. 7 are there. Next, in the fifth one, that number of triangles in the bigger triangle. The bigger triangle given, and you have to calculate how many it is. So there are 17 triangles, on and all there are 17 triangles. The next question, number of squares in and out of a bigger square. In a bigger square, how many are there? So there are 22 squares on total. Next, number of circles in and out of the rectangle. So there are 9 circles. If you will just calculate all this inside as well as the outside of the rectangle, so there are 9 rectangles. Okay, it's 9 circles. Okay, so in this way today I am not giving an assignment question, as though I have given you the work to do. This one, page number 64 activity you have to do, that is what, networking. Without lifting up your pencil from the paper, you have to draw the shapes which is given in the book. Okay, okay children, thank you, have a nice day.